Well, good morning. Um, I forgot to do a day 2 recap. So, just been so busy getting stuff done. Let's just go over this now. So we got quite a bit of the slash burnt. We've got 3 or 4 more piles. Man, it was just insane how much was in this area of the property. Yeah, this morning was very windy, so no fires today. But yeah, there's the gate up there. Right now I have my implements there, but if I had to, I could back into there and then come back this way. And this is our drive into the property a little deeper. I mean, there's probably like 3 or 4 acres all up on the frontage road, but we want to be away from the road. And I believe the previous owners were like-minded. So yeah, we got a ton of trees taken down yesterday. Just kind of continued that work. And then I moved a bunch of fill over here. And I'll show you that pile. It's a mixture of rock and clay, so it'll be good for base. And for around here, there's really not much topsoil, so I'm not going to see a lot of mud. So here's that big pile I just started taking material from. And kind of see it's a little bit of everything. And I believe it's just the stuff they dug out when they put in the pond. I may have taken a third of it. But yeah, it goes way back here. And there's a ton of pine trees that are all growing up in there. I feel like transplanting them, but there is no shortage of trees in this neck of the woods. So yeah, that was day 2 as far as full days go. The first day we got here, we just kind of got unloaded and set up and unpacked and so on and so forth. But so that was day 2 of the full days. Today is day 3. Not sure how much I'm going to do today because it's so windy. But the plan is to kind of keep filling in that road a little bit. I don't have much more. Maybe 3 or 4 bucketfuls. And then just smooth and compact. Grade and compact, whatever you want to call it. So I do want to address this. They got some junk in there. I think they may have had some rabbits or some sort of small creatures, because there was a pin in there. And honestly, I would like to move this shed up here, but that's a pretty big shed, and I don't think we're going to be able to get that accomplished. Really, Ivan? This is where we walk, bud. So I just want to clear out all these brambles and these brushes. It's a ton of thorny bushes. A lot of edible plants, but they're everywhere. The whole backside of the dam is full of them. I haven't seen any black bears yet, but I bet they eat the crap out of these. If the wind does die down later, I'll get out here and start knocking all this down, piling up the junk. We're gonna have some scraps, some junk that we got to take to the dump. Okay, so for now, I'm gonna fire up the skid loader. So yeah, I'll bring you back once we get going. Hey everyone, thought I'd jump in here real quick. So this was day 3 and it was really windy. So I just did some final grading, the front entrance, smoothed out the driveway a little bit. And then, like I said, we ran in town to get up, pick up some necessities. But I also took about an hour or 2 to go ripping around on my little mini bike, which was pretty fun. Got to see some neighbors and just got to know the general area a little better. All right, I'm done, I think, with the driveway entrance. I'm going to cut this corner a little bit more. I'm really trying to save that pine tree, so I don't want to go too deep and catch some roots. But I hit that big rock there, so we'll see if we can get that out without destroying the tree. So day 2 was a pretty easy day. Like I said, we went out to eat and just got to see the town a little bit better. But Day 3, I hit it hard, and that'll be coming soon. Thanks. All right, pretty happy with that. Travel trailer is about 24 feet long. So just making this turn was my main concern. And like I said, I'm going to get out all this brush and maybe take down a couple more trees so I can have a wider turn in. But I can always come in on the other side too. I've done some work to this lane, and in these parts of the woods, they don't really put down gravel. There's so much rock in the soil as it is. And anyways, they piled up a pretty good mound in front of my driveway. It was a couple months ago. So I took that. Actually, I scooped up that fill or material and just kind of spread it out on the driveway. So I got to run in town and get some fuel and some other miscellaneous stuff. We'll come back and kind of get this cleaned up a little better. I have a lot of loose rocks I want to pick up too. That'll be an easy day, but okay, that's it for now.